Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not make it your last by hitting the subscribe button and also turning on your notifications so you can be notified whenever I drop a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So today I'm going to be doing a product review of this particular skincare product, and this is the product we're going to be reviewing today, which is this jam rice milk soap. This is the jam rice milk soap. This soap is actually very popular. It was very trendy, and all that on the internet, and people were really raving about this soap, so I had to actually use it. I've been using it for a long time, but this is my first time reviewing this soap on this channel. So this is the rice milk soap by Jam. First thing about this soap is actually that it's made in Thailand, and if you know about Thailand products, you know that Thailand products are very nice when it comes to brightening on your skin and giving you a very nice glowy complexion. This soap also contains coconut oil, vitamin E, glutathione, rice bran extract. This is not something that is going to bleach you. If you want something that is going to whiten you or lighten you, this is something that is not going to actually do that. So I would suggest you try another product, because this is actually a brightening product and not a lightening product. This is also very nice because it contains collagen, glutathione, vitamin E, coconut oil, rice bran extract, and all that. This is actually very nice on the skin. The ingredients are things that are actually very beneficial on your skin and all that. One thing I love about this soap is that it actually gives your skin a very nice clean feeling. I'm someone that has very oily skin, so whenever I use this soap, I tend to notice that my skin feels very clean. It doesn't leave your skin feeling slimy, or like you have like dirt on your face or something. This is something that's going to give you a very nice clean feel after you use it. This is also going to brighten your skin. If you have dull looking skin, this is going to brighten your skin, and it is very nice and gentle on the skin. This is very nice, and it's super affordable. This soap, I'm not sure this soap is even 1,000 naira. I got the one I got this one for 750 the last time I got it. When I started using this soap, it was sold for 450 naira, but things are very expensive now, and I got it for 750 naira the last time I got it. So it's definitely around that price range. If you're trying to get it, it is not expensive. It's something that you can actually get. When I got this soap, I actually got it because I was having acne breakouts. It was mainly for acne, and when I used this soap, I noticed that it reduced my acne. It didn't really fight the whole acne or whatever, but it really helped in managing my acne because it was affordable at that point, and I really needed something to manage my acne. If you're buying this soap based on you want it to fight your acne, it is not something that is going to help eliminate your acne, because it doesn't contain any acne fighting ingredients. It doesn't contain benzoyl peroxide, it doesn't contain niacinamide, it doesn't contain salicylic acid. So if you're trying to get something for acne, I would suggest you get something that contains ingredients that actually target acne. One thing this soap is not going to do is actually lighten you or whiten you, because it's not a whitening product. It is not a whitening product. Most people buy this soap and have it in mind that, oh, they want to use it to lighten or do something, and it doesn't actually do that. Then they come back and say it doesn't work. This is a brightening soap. This is actually just a brightening soap. It's not going to do more than just brighten. Now we're going to be moving down to the side effects. One thing I noticed about this soap when I was using it is that it's actually drying. It can actually leave your skin feeling very dry and tight. If you're someone that has dry skin, this might not be very suitable for your skin, because it can actually dry your skin out. If you have oily skin, it might not dry your skin out as much as it would someone that has a dry skin. So if you're someone with a dry skin, you need to actually get a very nice hydrating rich moisturizer to use after using this soap, because it will actually leave your skin feeling really dry. Apart from the dryness and the fact that it melts really fast, this soap is very like, when you leave it in your bathroom, it's going to melt away. So I would advise you do not leave it in your bathroom or anywhere that is cold or moist or damp. Just keep it somewhere it's going to stay dry, because it actually melts really fast. So with all that being said, this is actually a very nice soap, and I'm going to continue using this soap and repurchasing because I really love this soap. It's affordable, it's effective, it is mild, and it's, you know, very, very nice on the skin. It's not going to give you any stretch marks or side effects on your skin. So if you're trying to get this, this is actually a very, very nice one to get. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to reply.